2014 Chevy Caprice, stock L77. Cat and resonator delete, 3-inch tailpipe, Dynamax bullet mufflers, and quad tips. Camaro SS wheel, paddle shifters, button to turn them on right there, scoots. But what we're mainly going to do today is put in these Amazon LED lights. Like I said, all stock. Plan on doing intake. I want to do full bolt on, but we'll see what I do. So basically, so far, you gotta take your reservoir neck out and the cap to your fuse box. And you can get in here, get the high beam out, then you got this clip that you gotta modify, I guess, to get on the LED headlights. So since my life is full of problems and I always put myself in these extremely difficult situations for no reason, I finally got the metal piece in. So basically you gotta file out the middle, and then yeah, like I said, she's just stuck in there now, and I guess that's where my high beam's gonna stay, stuck between my radiator. That's nice. Let me get this out here. Okay, that took way too long. But anyways, so you file out the middle and then you bend down a tab, which it doesn't look like I did a very good job, but whatever, I'm just gonna slap her in there. Focus in. But yeah, so you just take this plate out, it twists off, and then you put this on there after you file it down, and then you put that thing over it, and you twist it on like it was. So now it should go right into the headlight, hopefully. So it's in there after wrestling around and the thing falling apart while I'm trying to do it, but get the other one in there now. So that's what it looks like after. That's the other high beam. That low beam went out, but yeah, the low beam's pretty self-explanatory. You just gotta make sure you get the connector in the right way. I put these little LED markers in earlier. I was thinking about doing colored ones, but I'm not sure yet. I think the all white looks pretty good. So here's the clip I was talking about, and we'll be shaving those little side parts to get the new bulb in there. This is what it looks like all filed down, and put the light here, and it goes right over it like that. And then this guy right here goes over this, and you push down and it twists on. So that's how that works. And so this little tab right here, the one on the left right there, we got to bend that down, or basically cut it, because it doesn't let this piece go flush. So now we got it in, it's all twisted on. Got that tab bent down, and yeah. So I ended up just taking out my airbox part of it. So now I have plenty. Of hand room in there. So after about 10 minutes of fiddling with it, the crap just decided to fall off and go into the black hole. Got her all buttoned up.
I need that headlight tint.
For a little ride. Rig I've ever owned. Nice. It's got electric seats. AC's nice. No heated seats. Check engine light. It's an O2 sensor. So can't get over the sound of this thing. Even with just running cats and those 2 bullets, that's pretty quiet in here.